Hi, I'm John, and welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. In this episode, we have another preview that was revealed from the Warhammer Fest 2022 on day 2. This one is for the Skaven. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so we had revealed a new Skaven Deathmaster. Just a single character model, but still very cool. I know it was maybe a little bit of a lackluster release overall for Skaven players, but hey, a character model, and I believe there's also a codex as well. So it's a start. There's probably going to be a dual box. I think we all know this. It's going to be Sylvaneth and Skaven, likely. So they're just holding off probably a few days till, after Warhammer Fest, just have a little bit more fuel for the fire down the road. We'll see these upcoming other Skaven here soon, but this time around, it's just this character model. So with that, let's go ahead and check out this video first.
I hate third watch. Shh, someone will hear you.
The video looks a little grainy for some reason. I'm not quite sure if that's on their end or if it's just my internet, but normally it's crystal clear, so I apologize. We'll just have to deal with it.
Regiment's been after. Shh, General's gone mad. We're chasing shadows.
I just feel like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles has to be played in the background on this. Yeah, the video's got a little bit of issue. It's cleaned up now. All right. Very cool model. Between this and the Skittershank's Clawpack for Warhammer Underworlds, definitely some cool new Skaven sculpts. So yeah, a new Skaven Deathmaster is an expert hero killer armed with an arsenal of esoteric weapons coated in lethal toxins devised by the clan's Eshin, and more than a match for most targets. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Sneaky Skaven assassins have been around for a very long time, but this is the first time we've seen one in plastic. As you can see, it's been updated with some very Warhammer Age of Sigmar looking terrain, while maintaining that classic Skaven look, including having a weaponized tail. Yeah. Awesome. Along with Skittershank's Clawpack, yep. From Warhammer Underworlds Nether Maze, this Deathmaster will make an excellent start for a new Skaven army. Squeaking of Skaven, we can also reveal the next battle tome for Grand Alliance Chaos. The Children of the Horned Rat will be emerging into a realm near you very soon. Again, like I mentioned with the Sylvaneth battle tome, this one also seems to have a little bit of the old artwork, but it's cool. It's just, I'm surprised they didn't do something new for it. So that, yeah, like I said, it's a little, I could see where Skaven players would be a little bummed because the Sylvaneth had a much larger reveal today, but I think sometimes this is just how GW rolls. We got, Skaven for Underworlds. We got this character model. They're probably feeling, hey, we need to kind of extend these out just in case for reveals in the future. So probably after Warhammer Fest, next week sometime, we'll probably start getting a trickling in of more Skaven related reveals. It just is what it is. I have a feeling, I believe it's been kind of spoiled already. I think there is a box set coming out that is Skaven and Sylvaneth, I think, which would be cool. But with that said, what do you all think? Are you digging this new model? Are you excited for this new battle tome to be coming out? I'd imagine so, especially this line. The Skaven need a huge refresh. So I don't even play Skaven really that much, a little bit in Underworlds, sometimes in Warcry. And even I'm pretty excited for this because, like, with Warcry in particular, I wanted things like Rat Ogres, and it was so hard to find new sculpts that weren't from like almost 20 years ago. I think it was Isle of Blood and the Dawn Spire. I think those were the two releases. The Isle of Blood was like towards the end of Warhammer Fantasy, and the Dawn Spire was like first edition Age of Sigmar, where we had these two rat ogres that were pretty cool. but I think they've only been released in those box sets and never in any other way other than something like eBay. So it'd be great to get some new Rat Ogres as well. So hopefully those get some love. And that way all your Skaven actually look kind of cool. Not only in Age of Sigmar, but in stuff like Warcry. Yeah. I'm excited, even though I'm not a huge Skaven player. They definitely need some love because I do like the concept of Skaven. And these new models are amazing and I think super on point. But again, I'd like to get your thoughts on that in the comments below. Are you excited for this? Are you disappointed that they didn't show you more in this reveal? Yeah, would love to hear your thoughts. All right, well, like I said, there's a number of other videos I've posted today related to the Day 2 Warhammer Fest 2022. Definitely consider checking those out. Also, if you've enjoyed this content and haven't yet, please consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and sharing this content with your friend. It's greatly appreciated, and it really does help with the growth of the channel. All right, well, that's it for this one. As always, I hope you're doing well. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.